scale. Okay, because there should not be any scratches and the edges should be very neat. That's why I am telling you have to use a new scale. Now you see, if you observe your scale, sometimes it will be written cm, sometimes it will not be written. But if you observe the lines, it will start from 0. Sometimes 0 also will not be written. But these lines will be there. Starting one line will be long. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 small lines. Again one medium line. Again 4. Again 1. That means that 0 to 1, no, this is 1 centimeter. From 0 only you have to measure. This is 1 centimeter. Again from 0 to 2 is 2 centimeter. Again 0 to 3 is 3 centimeter. Like this only you have to. So 0 to 3 is 3 centimeter. Again 0 to 4 is 4 centimeter. So you have to start from 0 only. The starting line only have to start. You see there will be 10 lines in between. Now if I want to measure this board, I am using this scale. I have to start from this 0. From this 0. See, you can see here it's written cm. Actually you should not use wooden scale or steel scale. I will say the reason why. So I am going to measure this chalk piece. So now I will keep, actually you should not keep like this. Since I wanted to show you, I am keeping. How to keep on a flat surface. Now see, I am keeping in 0. So where does it end? Actually it is 5. So from 0 I should keep. So it is 5.2 cm. So the chalk piece, the length of the chalk piece is 5.2 cm. You should not say 0. You have to say the end point, 5.2 cm. Next I am going to measure this pen. I am showing with wooden scale, then only the numbers are clear. Plastic, if I show, the numbers are not clear. Can you see? So I am keeping in 0 the starting point and end is 13 actually, 13.1. So like this you can measure your pencil, eraser and even your fingers also you can measure. Students, I am going to say how to draw lines with the given measurement. You know to draw line. But here they have given the line must be 7 cm. So how to draw? So now take out your scale. First listen the steps. Then you will draw. I am showing wooden scale because then only it's visible in the video. If I use plastic, it's not visible. That's why. So first thing you have to keep the scale like this. You have to use plastic transparent scale and a new scale only. So hold like this. You have to hold in the middle. Now 7 cm means you know to measure, right? From which number you have to measure? From 0. So the same way how to keep a dot in 0 cm straight to that big line. Next again now 7 cm. So you have to keep another dot in 7 centimeter. I am not keeping in 7 because it will look small. So in your scale you have to keep for 7 cm. Then don't remove the scale. You have to join this straight. Like this you should join straight. Then remove the scale. This is 7 cm. So give the name A, B and this is 7 cm. One more example, 10 cm. How will you draw? You have to start from 0 and 10 cm. So now keep the scale like this. You will not draw on the line. You will draw. One more example, 10 cm. From which number you will start? 0. Everything will start from 0 cm only. And the ending point will be 10 cm. So keep the scale like this straight. You should draw in the white place only, not in the line. So keep starting point in 0, ending point in 10. Don't remove. Then you have to join this. Now you can give any name with alphabets P, Q, X, Y, A, B, B, C. What is a cm? 10 cm. So you should write. Your line must not be like this curved line. This is wrong. It should not be so dark in one place, so light. No. So you should not remove your scale while you are drawing. So you complete. You should keep practicing. Then you will get the proper line. So I have given 10 sums. Once you have drawn, again you keep and check whether it is correct. You should start from 0.